Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. The video today is all about the retro device from 2010 going down. I understand those kind of years that so past, but it's a retro phone, so sit back, buckle up yourself, we get started. So this is Nokia E52. This phone is a refurbished, but there's a but. Because I've never unboxed this kind of phone way back, I decided to grab it and check it out. What's so special, what's so goody about the Nokia E52, and even what's so amazing throughout it using in 2025. How can it keep up as your second phone? So let us just unwrap this kind of bad boy. Guys, here's our bad boy and we're gonna be unboxing it. And as you can see, really cool. This is our device here. We're gonna be seeing it in shortly. We're gonna keep it aside. And what's inside this box feels a little bit like off the hook. We've got a charger. Are there like paperwork or something? Okay, what's in here? I can see there's a paperwork in here, which is quite not bad. And just have to read it and check it out what's so special. But yeah, we already know how this phone works. And you're getting your battery here, BP4L, the battery side, which is really good. So yeah, we're gonna keep it on the phone and we check it out. And another kind of stuff, you're having your charger here. It uses micro kind of cable, and it's really dope. So yeah guys, we're done setting up our device, and as you can spot it, really slick. It looks really amazing, quite not bad. That kind of device looking with a blackness through the keyboard and the silver offsetting like a goldish a little bit, like quite far a little bit, and it's black, really nice. I kind of like it. And the button wise, can't complain, they feels really good still. Though the phone is refurbished, just know that it's not like authentic, but still the device is keeping up. I can't complain at all throughout how this device it is. It's just unlocking those kind of nostalgia kind of memories, I can say. So the menu side looks really slick, as you can see it. Really nice. You're having your OV store. You remember the Nokia OV store? Really cool. You're having messaging there. Really nice. So if you want to just make your message, compose your message, you remember you just have to use your kind of fingers, no QWERTY keyboard. You just have T9. It's really slick. And you're having your application sections too here. You're having Facebook, YouTube, MySpace. You remember MySpace? Really nice. So so much stuff going on through the device. Actually, it's really nice. And I forgot something. I forgot to peel this kind of stuff, because this device has a front-facing camera, if I'm not mistaken. Let's jump in on the camera section. So this is the camera, okay, and when you switch, use secondary camera, you can spot us there. It has a front-facing camera somewhere there, smaller one. And yeah, I mistakenly like a Nokia E51, but this one has a front-facing camera, which is actually really good. Not bad. It's being seen there. Actually, it's really nice. Okay, we are connecting through the Wi-Fi. Okay, let's see if it's gonna be giving us any connection. I'm skeptical if it connects, it's gonna be bizarre. I'm gonna be like, okay, because it's missing a lot of certificates, and this kind of brand new Wi-Fi, it has more modern. You see, it did not authenticate. Bluetooth section over here, really nice. You can just trigger Bluetooth and connect throughout other devices, and you can even have like a listing of paired devices through the Bluetooth section. You guys know it. And yeah, overall, I can't complain through this device. And the speaker now, let's jump in on the speaker section, because it has a really nice tune. You can hear the tune. Okay, not bad. Let's check out nostalgic. Okay. So which kind of ringtone was one of a kind? I think the iconic Nokia ringtone is just way good. I can't complain at all throughout this kind of device. Still, it's just keeping up, as you can spot it here. And you can go to edit section you can edit directly on your phone. As you can see, these were the edits which we had. So you can select between brightness you want to increase, and you want to increase contrast, and you just have to apply, then go to sepia, then apply clip art. You can add some clip art. You remember the clip arts which were there? Dang, these are some memories, you know what I mean? So you can select, maybe it's a basketball, just keep it somewhere here. You can just get creative throughout what you can do. And when you're done, just tap on save, or you can even zoom in. See, it's just zooming in, zoom in again. But the issue is with our sensor, you can't see well on the picture, just like that. So whenever I just go here, yeah, it's actually not bad. It's keeping up, to be honest. So apply effect, go directly through it. You can select the size you want. Wow, that's really dope. So I'm gonna set my crop to be this size, and I'm gonna say, you know what, save our picture. So right now it's just saving, and we are good to go when it's done. A new vlog with the Nokia E52. Chances and question are, well, it's kind of crazy because I'm trying to keep up with the coloring. Like when I'm staying there, it's a little bit dark, but here you can see me clearly. Quite not bad. So you can't, you won't get something decent, but actually still the camera is good. It's pretty much good compared to those kind of techno button kind of phones which the camera is actually worst. So this one is at least better.
The Nokia E52 came with a 2.4-inch display, a solid metal body, and the classic T9 keypad that feels so satisfying to type on. Inside it runs Symbian 60 3rd edition, powered by 600 MHz ARM processor with 128 MB of RAM. Sounds tiny today, but back then this was a business pal in your pocket. You also got a 3.2 megapixel rear camera with a Wi-Fi, GPS, and even 3G support, all packed in a phone that weighed just 98 grams. But the real star, that massive 1500 mAh battery, this thing could last up to 8 hours of talk time or nearly a month on standby, something most modern smartphones can only dream of. Even the build quality feels premium, brushed aluminum, tight buttons, and a form factor that fits perfectly in your hand. It wasn't just a phone, it was a tool for professions with email, calendar, sync, and document viewing built right in. Now in 2025, the E52 obviously isn't a daily drive, but it's still an amazing reminder of when phones were simple, tough, and long-lasting. For collectors, retro lovers, or anyone tired of charging every night, this little Nokia is still pure gold. So what do you think? Would you still rock a Nokia E52 today? Drop your thoughts in the comment section, and it's gonna be really great.
So guys, that's it about the Nokia E52. Such an amazing kind of iconic kind of phone. Still, it fits in on my hand. I can see the icons. I can maneuver here and there. Still, through this kind of device, it offers you a quite second option throughout your phone. So it does not break your bank account throughout. Right now, if you want to grab it, you can grab it online, and it's really slick. So is it really worth it in 2025? I can say, as your second device, which you just pick up the phone and text, yes. But as your kind of current, we all know that bunch and batch of support is no longer supported throughout this phone. Even WhatsApp it had, but it's just way back, and there are a lot of features which can't run right now on this kind of device. So that's it. Such an amazing, iconic Nokia E52. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about the Nokia E52, or what do you think about these kind of nostalgic phones from back in the days? To be honest, I really love them. Like we saw the BlackBerry Key 1, it was such an amazing phone. And if you didn't check it out, you can click one of the cards over here to go and check it out. But this kind of Nokia E52 really captured my attention. Really dope. So yeah.